What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you how to speed up your BLU Vivo 11 Plus. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is going to be a very simple tutorial. All you have to do is follow the steps and you should be good. Now the first thing you want to go ahead and do is actually go inside of settings. Now when you're in the settings, you're going to scroll down all the way to about device. Once you're at about device, you're going to want to go ahead and click on the build number multiple times. It's going to say you are a developer. So once you're a developer, you can actually use developer options, which is a very cool setting. So go to more settings, go down here, and we're going to see developer options right there. Now we're going to scroll all the way down to the different type of animations we have. Now we're going to have these three different animations right here: window animation scale, transition animation scale, animator duration scale. And we're going to want to either turn those to 0.5, or if you guys want to go ahead and turn them off, you guys can turn them off. But let's go ahead and turn those to 0.5. So all of them to 0.5. That is what I recommend. All the way off actually looks a little bit tacky, but 0.5 is much faster, as you guys can see right here. So if we want to go ahead and load up Instagram, you're going to get stuff way faster. As you guys see, the animations are much faster since we turned them down to 0.5 instead of 1. So if you guys want to take them all the way down to 0, just go to more settings, go down to developer options, go back to all of these animations and turn them all off. Boom, boom, and boom. All of the animations are now off, as you can see. Much faster. We do not even have animations anymore. Your device should be much faster. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit that notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.